Hey everybody, it's Phil Struzula from Select Software Reviews, and today we're talking about how do you use data to better understand what's going on in your organization. So, one of the trends that we've been really excited about and following is the performance management system sort of taking over, especially in many of the more forward thinking organizations, especially these like people ops teams, and understanding within the organization what's going on like within all these nodes, the different teams, the different offices, the different functions, the different demographic groups within those functions and offices. And we think that there are some really interesting ways that you can use this data to just kind of give you a snapshot. Like we've literally seen companies that have in their annual reports now information that's coming from their performance management system. So it's not just coming from the CRM, the inventory management, your accounting software, it's also the people, what's going on with them, and how does it relate to the business. So to give you an insight into kind of what you can do with some of this stuff, so you can identify things like weaker managers that might need coaching and even specific coaching that they should be offered in order to sort of upskill and improve the culture in their organization. You can look at teams that have higher flight risk, maybe that have lower engagement, or saying things that would tell you that this person or this team, generally speaking, is perhaps not as engaged as they should be, allow you to kind of circumvent it. These are sort of negative, you can look at what's actually working. Like, who are your best managers? What are they doing? What are the sorts of things people are saying that keep them at the organization? How does it translate back to your employee value proposition, your employer branding, your recruiting efforts? And then, of course, overall, you can just use all this information to improve your culture, to understand what makes your employees tick. How do you get them to get more excited about what they're doing, the impact that they're having on the business? How do you show them the impact that they're having? This team over here, how do you show them that, wow, you actually impacted this stuff that's going on that maybe we're talking about in the news today? Phil Struzula from Select Software would love to hear how you're using data to better understand your organization.